So, the plan for New Year is to go clutter free, basically the cord cutters. This is how much my desk is cluttered now. You see this? Wires, wires. Today's video is going to be a very short video. Before we get into the main content of the video, for whomever who is watching this channel for the first time, I'm Govardhan Krishnan. I'm a software engineer by trade. I do YouTube videos to learn new things and tell the world the same thing. So without any further delay, let us get into the today's video. Today we are going to review about this particular keyboard. So this is a wireless keyboard and a mouse. So the reason I took this particular content for today is I went to Walmart to get something. I just saw this for just like some $14.99. I'm not a big fan of a wireless keyboard or mouse. The kind of things that I'm doing, like I spend more time on the machine, on the computer on daily basis. So I thought like the place is also getting too much cluttered with all those wires all around the place, and at times I lose my mind when I try to declutter all those things. Eventually I felt like I was spending way more time in cleaning those stuff, and it never ends. Every morning I come, I tell to do all those things, but the next day or the evening before even I leave the cubicle, the place goes to the same position how I start in the morning. So hence I was little worried about it, and I thought I'm spending way too much time, and hence I saw this, and I did not even like see which model, or I did not even see any reviews for it before getting this or not, but I just got it for $14.99. Who cares if it's not working? Just trash it. But however, that is not the intention. So let us see how it trends when pairing to the system. Let us unbox it right now. Okay, so I just used the mouse a few days back, so it is not a real unboxing, but still the keyboard is unused. So this is the mouse that we get. I saw the mouse as M185 model, M185. So it did a pretty good job. So who is going to get the same thing, be careful when you're unboxing, because they have the USB transmitter here. So we should be very careful. The first time when I was trying to unbox it, like I did not find it. I did not even see it. Then I saw this. So this is a very smart packaging from Logitech. Okay, let us take this and keep it aside. I don't want to put it down and search it for the entire day. Oh, come on. Nice, sleek. I don't have my knife. That's bad. No, I think I have it here. There I am, back. How can I forget this? Good. Not bad, man. The quality is good. It's very weak, very fragile. And you see this? Oh, they give 2 batteries also. I did not expect a battery in the keyboard. The mouse had the batteries, but for $14.99 they give a keyboard, a mouse, 3 batteries. I really don't know what they are making out of it, but still, it's good. Okay, we should be a little careful when putting this. Good. So the wireless transmitter, it is one transmitter that takes control of the mouse and the keyboard. If at all you feel that you are a kind of a person who loses it, like me, then there is one position where they have given that you can put this here safely. See this? It is like you can just put it here. There is a placeholder for this here, and close it. That's it. So now let us try pairing it with my computer. Okay, let us connect the receiver to the USB. There is a small on-off switch here, so I just switched it on, and I would just leave it on. And I was expecting this particular light to come up, but it did not come. But anyways, let us see. Good, it works. You don't need to install any software or something like that. Just put the receiver and it starts working. That's very easy. And let us try using the keyboard. Good, it works. Logitech keyboard for $14.99. Okay, so that's it, man. It's easy. It's very easy. So we have a keyboard, a mouse, all paired with one receiver. Good. Just see how good it looks without wires. The area is clean. Let me just swap it with my traditional mouse and keyboard, which has wires. Okay, I just realized that my MacBook Pro has only one USB port, and I have not tried connecting a keyboard to my Mac at all. So I was just using a mouse and see how the environment looks with all those things, wires. At least I would say this is pretty good, but my cubicle is so much cluttered with so much of wires and all those things. Oh man, it bothers me a lot. But however, I had some 2-3 monitors attached, and hence that is at least acceptable. But with this kind of setup, like it looks messy. Oh, I would live with this. I'm happy for this. And thank you, Walmart. See you next week.